Welcome back to Skibidi Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install SideStore on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 27 and then use it to install IPA files without APC and without jailbreaking your device. This is currently one of the best, safest, and most reliable methods available for sideloading apps on iOS. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps or run into installation errors. Let's get started. First, open Safari, and then open Skibidi Tech website. I will add the website link in the pinned comment. Now hit on Get Started. Then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install downloaded profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see the Skibidi Tech app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Now open the Skibidi Tech app. Then simply hit on Others option at bottom. Then hit on SideInstaller option on top. Now you will see different SideInstaller links available there. You can choose any one of them, but always start with the first top one. Simply hit on arrow down button in front of the first SideInstaller link and then hit Install to install SideInstaller in your iPhone or iPad. If one link don't work, then simply try the other one. Once SideInstaller is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, and then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management, and then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let SideInstaller work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the SideInstaller app will start working properly without any problems.
And I feel like life moves way too fast to hold on to things from the past, so goodbye to things on that.
Now open the App Store and search for Local DevVPN. Download and install the app. Once the Local DevVPN is installed in your iPhone or iPad, before continuing, make sure developer mode is enabled on your device. Open Setting, then open Privacy and Security, and then open developer mode. If it's disabled, turn it on and follow the prompts. Your device may restart. Once developer mode is enabled, you're ready for the next step. Now open Local DevVPN app. Then simply hit Connect, then hit Allow when iOS asks for permission. Once connected, you'll see that the VPN is active. Now you're ready to continue. Now open the SideInstaller app. You should see Tunnel connected. Now go to the pairing section and tap Generate Pairing File.
How you stay tough, how you get back up. You put the work in and it comes back. Multiply, stack, execute, and you can take that. What you want bad, it's the truth, I'm the change that you can.
Now open Setting and scroll down and then open Privacy and Security. Then scroll down and then open Developer mode. Then hit on Pair with SideInstaller, and then hit Pair. Now it will ask you to enter 6 digits code. Now simply open SideInstaller app. Now simply copy the code, and then go back, and then enter it. After entering it successfully, you'll see that the pairing file is ready.
We ain't thinking small, thinking light. We just want it all in our sights. Move quicker, see the big picture. You could be selfish or you could be a giver. Go wizard, problem solve.
Now simply hit on Install option. Now enter your Apple ID into SideInstaller. This Apple ID is only used for signing apps through Apple's free developer system. Once you've entered your Apple ID, tap Install SideStore.
They all say no way, negativity, any hate, I got no space. We gon' put our hands up to the sky, appreciate our lives and we fight till we die. Yo, stand up, we gon' make some moves tonight. Yeah, stand up, got something to prove tonight. So stand up, we ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright.
You'll receive a verification prompt. Hit Allow. Enter the verification code that appears. Press Submit. Now SideInstaller will now begin. Signing SideStore, installing the app, completing the setup. If you get error like I have got, simply follow it on screen instructions to fix this error.
Where did you go? We used to be kids, now I feel so grown. I miss being free to be me, not alone. I used to have friends, but we don't talk anymore.
Then hit on Install SideStore again, and now you will see SideStore will start installing in your iPhone or iPad without any errors.
I just wish you were more than memories. I got kids now, but I'm a kid now. I haven't grown in my mind, just my skin now. I don't get taxes, I hate chores, I hate mail, bills, and miss the outdoors. I feel like the air used to smell different. The grass was greener and the summers were for swimming. I used to play baseball every inning. Now I work for a living.
Once SideStore is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, and then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management, and then open Developer App, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow to run the SideStore in your iPhone or iPad. Now open the SideStore. If everything was done correctly, SideStore should launch without any issues.
Try to stay healthy, but I'm tired all the time, cause there's too much on my mind. Got into meditation, just try to be more patient. Find a passion, a purpose, a reason to keep chasing all the dreams that I had when I was a little kid. Whatever happened to those dreams, man, there's something that I miss.
Now simply sign in to SideStore using your Apple ID. After signing in, now hit on My Apps option at bottom. Then hit the plus button on top. Then simply choose any IPA file you want to install on your iPhone or iPad. SideStore will automatically sign and install the app for you. It's really that simple. And that's it. You now have SideStore fully installed on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 27, and you can install IPA files without APC and without jailbreaking your device. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future iOS tutorials, IPA installation guides, and SideStore updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.